Hello and welcome to Learn Digital Marketing with Deepak. Hope all of you are doing good. So we are back again with another video, and today's video is about Instagram. As we all know that Instagram has become a very popular platform nowadays. It is used by individuals, influencers, social media influencers and brands for their marketing. So if you are a social media influencer, Instagram influencer, or a brand or an agency, and you regularly post content on your Instagram handle, then this video is for you. So many of us are unaware about the fact that how we can add line breaks in Instagram. So this video is about adding line breaks in Instagram. Whenever we add post in Instagram, it become difficult for us to add line breaks, and the post looks quite ugly because there is no proper spacing in the post. So today we will tell how you can add proper line spaces and breaks between your paragraphs in the Instagram caption. So let us see how to do it. So to create a line break, you have to visit a website, apps for live post. So you simply have to visit this website and just copy the content that you have. What you have to do is just enter the caption that you want to add the caption over here, and add the line spaces in the format you want. Like I want this to appear like this. I want to give a line break after express web solution and then one paragraph and like this. Okay. So just click on convert and copy to clipboard. As soon as you click it, your caption content will be copied in the same format in which you want. Now, okay, let me just add this content on my Instagram post through my Instagram app. Okay, I have already added the content through my app. Now I visit my Instagram page. So this was the post that I added. Now as you can see, now the line breaks are completely visible. You can see line break after first line, then after the second paragraph we have another line break. So this way you can create a post with line breaks wherever you want. So that's all for now. Hope you all have subscribed to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel until now, please subscribe to our channel if you want to get more such digital marketing videos. Thanks for watching.